A resort near Umiam Lake offers a perfect getaway for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, with a wide range of activities set against the stunning backdrop of Meghalaya's lush hills and tranquil waters. One of the most popular pastime is boating on the calm emerald waters of Umiam Lake, where visitors can enjoy paddle boarding, kayaking and speedboating, all while taking in breathtaking panoramic views. Beyond water activities, the resort is surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills, ideal for nature walks and short treks to connect with the region's rich biodiversity. Whether you are seeking adventure or tranquility, the lake resort near Umiam Lake offers a balanced mix of activities that ensure a fulfilling and unforgettable retreat.